This is a Harvard interview question. Some of them or many of them got it wrong. I don't know why, but let's look into it. Welcome to my channel and let's get straight to the point. We are asked to solve for x first. Okay, the first thing we need to do is let's rearrange this first to start with, because this is a polynomial, that is a cubic polynomial, so x to the power of 3 is supposed to come first. So we are going to have minus x to the power of 3 plus x squared. Then let's bring this in. Minus 12 is equal to what? 0. Now let's multiply through by minus 1. Why? This minus sign here, I don't really like it. Let's make it positive. So to do that, we multiply through by minus 1. So we are going to have x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 12 is equal to 0. Now, I think this is where so many of them might have gotten it wrong. Let's factorize this 12 according to what we have here and here. So anytime you have this type of question, try to analyze or factorize according to what we have. Now here we have x to the power of 3. We need a number to the power of 3 and the same number to the power of 2. And we are going to factorize this exactly like that. And when we do that, we are going to have x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 2. This becomes what? This is 8 and 4. Because this is 2 to the power of 3 and this is 2 to the power of 2. Alright? Now this is equal to 0. So we'll write x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Now we are going to collect like terms. Alright? So to do that, we are going to have x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3. Alright? Now we have minus x squared plus 2 squared. Alright? Is equal to 0. Okay, now we have x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3. Now when you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3, okay, this is same thing as a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. This is the algebra identity for a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. Now in this case, our a is x and our b is 2. So we are going to express this in this form. So it's going to be a plus b, that is x plus 2. Okay, and we are going to multiply it by a squared, that is x squared, minus ab, that is 2x, right? 2x. Now plus b squared, that is 2 squared, which will give us 4. All right, now minus, then if I want to put this in brackets, this can be written as x squared minus 2 squared this time around. Why? Minus times x squared will give us minus x squared, and minus times minus 2 squared will give us plus 2 squared back. Okay, is equal to 0. Now we have x plus 2, all right, multiplied by x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then minus what we have here is difference of 2 squares. Yes, that is what we have. Are you excited now? Yes, I am. Now we have a squared minus b squared. According to our identity, is what? A minus b multiplied by a plus b. That is it. So we are going to write this as what? X minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. All right? And this is equal to 0. If this is the first time you are seeing this face, this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please hit the subscription button and on your notification bell so that you will not miss our amazing videos. Okay, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you actually enjoyed this video. All right, thank you so much. Now this is what we have. Look at x plus 2, and we have an operator here, and we have another x plus 2, showing that this is a term and this is another term. So we can factorize x plus 2 from both of them. Okay, excuse me. Now we have x plus 2. All right, then we open our bracket. When the whole of this is divided by this one will remain, right? So we have x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, all right. Now what do we have here? We are going to have minus, when the whole of this is divided by this, we are left with x minus 2. So we have x minus 2. All right, this is equal to what? 0. So we have x plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now minus what? X squared plus 2. sorry, minus x plus 2. Minus times x will give us minus x, and minus times minus 2 will give us plus 2. Okay, is equal to 0. So we have x plus 2 multiplied by, now we have x squared minus, okay, only one x squared, right? Then we have minus 2x minus x to give us minus 3x. Then we have plus 4 plus 2 to give us plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now we have two equations to form from here. So we can write that x plus 2 is equal to 0, right? And we can write that x squared minus 3x plus 6 is also equal to 0. Then we have from here that x is equal to minus 2. Now from here, we are going to use our quadratic equation formula. I'd like you to stay to the end because we are going to substitute whatever we got into this particular equation to prove that it is what? Correct. So using our quadratic equation formula, the quadratic equation formula states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, notice that our a here is what? The coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 3. Our c is our constant, which is 6. Okay, so we can now rewrite this as our x then should be equal to minus b, that is minus minus 3, right, which is plus 3, plus or minus square root of b squared, that is minus 3 squared, which will give us 9, minus 4ac, that is 4 multiplied by a is what? 1, and c is 6, right, divided by 2a, that is 2 times 1, which will still give us 2. Oh, permit me to clean this. We don't need them anymore. Okay, now we continue. Now our x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9. Then 4 times 6 will give us 24, right? Divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 24 will give us minus 15, right? Yes, minus 15. Okay, yeah, divided by 2. So our x should be 3 plus or minus. Now this is same thing as square root of 15 multiplied by square root of minus 1. Okay, divided by 2. So we have x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15i, since root minus 1 is I, divided by 2. Now note, we have two numbers here, or two values of x here. So we have gotten the first value as what? Minus 2. Now the second value is going to be 3 plus or plus. We are going to take plus square root of 15i. And the third one should be 3 minus square root of 15i. Now let's do the most interesting part of this video. Let's substitute what we got into this place to show that we are right. Okay, hope you have given this video a thumbs up. Please do that because it helps the algorithm to push our video to people that really need it for their exams, or those that really want to refresh their memory. Now our x, the first real value of x is minus 2. Let's substitute. So we have minus 2 squared, okay, minus 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 12, plus 8 is equal to 12. So we have 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Minus times minus will give us plus. So we have that 4 plus 8, sorry, that 12 is equal to 12. And this proves that our solution is right. Thanks so much for watching and have a lovely day.